Hello and welcome to Pabbly. So today in this video, we will be discussing the top 5 Discord automations that you can set up with Pabbly Connect. So as you all know, Discord is one of the most popular platforms used by a lot of people to build their communities over there. And here are the top 5 things related to Discord that you can automate. Whether it can be sharing a new item from your Notion database or sharing a new YouTube video shared on your YouTube channel automatically. You can also automate the process of sharing some new tasks from your project and task management applications like ClickUp and Asana as well. So the possibilities of automation are endless over here. So without any further delay, let's begin with the process, and in this complete guide, we are going to show you a step-by-step guide that how you can set up all of these automations by yourself. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send Discord channel messages for new Notion database item. Now suppose guys, you and your team members use Notion to maintain or create all kind of record and details, and all of you communicate on your Discord channel. Now you want that whenever a new item, a new detail is added in Notion database, you want to update your team members on Discord with the details of newly updated item in Notion. So let me tell you, you can actually automate this complete process of updating team members on Discord. So the trigger of this automation will be creating a new item in Notion. An action will be sending the same newly created item details, newly added data details as a channel message on our Discord channel. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Notion database named as upcoming events. And in this database, I create new items where I enter the details of the upcoming events over here in this table. And I want that whenever I add the details of a new event, I create a new item in Notion database, automatically the details of that new item should be shared as a message on my Discord channel, and it should update my team members. Now here guys, for this we have to connect our Notion database with Discord, but they don't have any native integration, any direct connection between them. So in this video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is the automation and integration platform. And using Pabbly Connect, we are going to set up the automation between Notion and Discord. So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard right now. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Notion to Discord. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to connect our Notion database with Pabbly Connect so that every time a new item is created in Notion, we get the details of that newly created item inside our Pabbly Connect workflow. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send those new item details to our Discord channel as a message. So here in trigger window, in choose apps, search for Notion. Just select it. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select new database item as the trigger event. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Notion account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Notion button. Now because we have already logged into our Notion account in our browser, here you can see that Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. And it is asking us for the authorization permission. Click on this Select Page button. And then here you can see a list of all the database which we have created, all the pages which we have created in our Notion database can be seen over here. Now at this section, you have to select that the access of which page you want to give to Pabbly Connect. Here, if you want, you can select all the pages or you can select a specific page for which you are setting up this automation. Right now, let's select all the pages over here. Just scroll down and click on Allow Access. And after clicking on Allow Access, here you can see that our Notion account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the only thing it asks us is the database ID. And in the drop down below, here you can see a list of all the database which we have created in our Notion account can be seen over here. So general, reading list and upcoming events. These are the three databases which I have created in my Notion account: general, reading list, and upcoming events. Now we want to capture the new items from this database named as upcoming events. So here from this drop down, we are going to select this ID, this database over here, that is upcoming events. Now after selecting it, here you can see a button of save and send test request. When we will click on the save and send test request button, the details of the most recent, the latest item which we have created in Notion will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So right now in this database, we have created this event, we have added the details of this event, this item, where the event name is Developers Conference, the details is this is the start date, and this is the end date, and this is the guest. So I have added these columns, I have created this table of data, and I have created this item over here in Notion. Now when we will click on save and send test request, the details of this same item will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So let's see, just click on save and send test request. And yes guys, here you can see that after clicking on save and send test request, we have received some response over here. And in this response, you can see the details of the same item over here. When we will scroll down, here you can see the response of start date, and this is the same start date which we have entered, 3rd of February 2023. Then we will scroll down further and we will see some other details regarding it. Here you can see the response for that event name, that is Developers Conference, the same event name. Then we will scroll down further. Here you will see some other details, like you can see the end date over here, that is 6th of February 2023. Here you can see the same date. We will scroll down further and here you can see the description as well. So we have added these details. We have created a column where we have added details, and the same details can be seen over here. Now after this, just scroll down and here you can see the details, other details as well. Like you can see the name of the user to whom we have invited as the guest. So let me show you the name. Okay, so here you can see the guest name, the response for guest. This means the details of a new item which we have created in Notion is now successfully captured inside Pabbly Connect workflow. So step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we have to send these same details in our Discord channel as a channel message. So to do this, just scroll down, come to our action window, and here in Choose App, search for Discord. Just select it. And then in action event from the drop down, select the action event as send channel message. Just select it, click on connect. Now after clicking on connect, the first thing it asks us is the webhook URL. Now here to connect our Discord channel with Pabbly Connect, first we have to create a webhook URL in our Discord account, on our Discord server for that particular channel on which we want to send the messages. And then after creating that URL, you have to copy that URL from there and paste it over here. Now you must be thinking how you can create this webhook URL. So to create it, just go to your Discord server, like I have this Discord server named as Pabbly Team. After opening your Discord server, on the right top corner, here you can see this down arrow, click on it and go to server settings. After coming to the server settings page, here on the left side, you can see integrations, click on integrations and go to webhooks. Now here at this webhooks page, click on new webhook over here. And you will see a new webhook URL is just now created. Just click on it, give this webhook URL a name, for example, Notion items. So this is the name I have given to this webhook URL. And then it is asking us to select the channel, that using this webhook URL on what channel we want to send the message. So from the drop down here, you can see a list of all the channels which I have created over here, out of which I want to send the messages on this channel named as Notion items. So I will be selecting this channel over here. Then just click on this copy webhook URL button and click on save changes. And as we click on save changes, here you will see that this new webhook URL is created in Discord and we have also copied the webhook URL. Now just go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the same webhook URL over here. After pasting the webhook URL, the next thing it asks us is the message, that what is the message which we want to send. So here you have to basically draft the message. You can draft any message according to your requirement. I want my message to be, hello team. Okay, so this is the kind of message which I want to send. The message says, hello team, we have a new upcoming event. Event details are as followed. And here I have created the fields for all the event details which I want to share. The same details which we have added in Notion. Now here guys, in front of event name, I wanted to mention the name of the event, the item, the response which we have received of the event from Notion. So here guys, from Notion, we have received this name of the event response, as you can see over here. Here it is. And from this response, we have to basically map this exact same response over here in this field of message in front of event name. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Just click on this message section and add your cursor in front of this event name. And then here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Notion. And out of all of these responses, select the response of name of the event. Here it is, event name, and it will be mapped. So whatever data we are going to enter in this event name section while creating a new item, a new data in Notion, the same data will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and the same data or the same text will be added over here in this Discord channel message. Now after this, after entering the event name, let's enter the event start date. So just click here, and from the drop down, select this response of start date. Follow the same process of mapping for other details as well. So let's select the end date, where it is, this is it, the end date. Then match the description. So from the drop down, select the response of description as well. This is details. And then the name of the guest which we have received. So this is the response of guest. Just select it and it will be mapped over here. So in this way, we just took an example right now that we are adding some event details in Notion, and we want to send a message on our Discord channel with the event details. But instead of this, you can basically create your Notion database for anything you want according to your requirement, according to your use. And using the same automation, you can get the details of new items inside Pabbly Connect workflow. And in this way, by mapping the details in this message section, you can send that same details to your Discord channel as a channel message. After drafting the message of your requirement and mapping all the details, the next thing it asks us is the bot name and bot icon. So guys, on our Discord channel, using a bot, we are going to send these messages. Now guys, you can actually change the name of the bot and also the display picture, the icon of the bot. For example, I would like to name my bot as Notion. This is the name which I am giving to my Discord bot who is going to share the message on my Discord channel. And the next thing it asks us is the bot icon. Now here, if you want, you can also change the icon as I told you. You just have to enter the URL, the link of the image which you want to set up as the bot icon over here in this bot icon field. Right now, I'm just ignoring this field for now because it's not a mandatory, it's not a required field over here. At last, it is asking us text to speech. So I don't want to enable text to speech, so I'll be selecting disable over here and click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here has been sent on our Discord channel. So let's check our Discord channel. We will go to Discord. And yes guys, here you can see that the same Discord channel, Notion items, for which we have created a webhook URL, on the same Discord channel, a message has been sent over here. The message says, hello team, we have a new upcoming event. Event details are as followed. Event name, Developers Conference, event start date 3rd of February 2023. Event end date 26th of February 2023. Event description, we will be having Developers Conference with all the new and old developers. And guest is demo user. The same details of the item which we have created in Notion, the exact same details are now shared as a channel message on our Discord channel. And this message is shared by a bot named as Notion. Same bot name which we have entered over here in Pabbly Connect. Now this means guys, the automation workflow which we have created between Notion and Discord using Pabbly Connect is working perfectly fine. And using this automation guys, whenever a new item will be created in Notion, automatically within 8 hours, the same item details will be shared on our Discord channel as a channel message. Now here you must be thinking why it takes 8 hours to share the messages from Notion to Discord. So the connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, as you can see over here, this trigger will check for new data. Pabbly Connect will check for new data, new items every 8 hours on our Notion database. Then every 8 hours, it will get the details of all the new items which we have created. It will take those details and bring to Pabbly Connect, and this automation workflow will be triggered. It will start sending those details on our Discord channel as a channel message. So here guys, every 8 hours, you can basically get updates on your Discord channel from Notion database of the item which you have created. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can actually clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically share YouTube videos on Discord and Facebook. So guys, if you are a YouTuber who is having a community on Discord and Facebook as well, this automation is going to help you a lot. So in this automation, whenever we are going to share a new video on our YouTube channel, automatically guys, with the video link and the other details like title and description of the video, we will send a message with all these details on our Discord channel so that you can update the new video to your Discord community as well. And then after that, automatically we are also going to create a post on our Facebook page so that you can update your Facebook community as well with the new YouTube video which you have created. Now guys, how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as YouTube to Discord to Facebook page. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first, we have to connect our YouTube account, our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that whenever a new video will be published on our YouTube channel, the details of that newly published video will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send the link and the details of the newly published video on our YouTube channel automatically on Discord and also on our Facebook page. So let's begin. Now here in trigger window, in choose app, search for YouTube. Just select it. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select new video on the channel with video URL. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, it's time to connect our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with YouTube button. And I have already logged into my YouTube account, my YouTube channel in my browser. So just select your YouTube account which you want to connect, scroll down and click on continue. And after clicking on continue, here you can see that our YouTube account will get connected, our YouTube channel will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection guys, the first thing it asks us is the channel ID. So here in the drop down, it is most likely possible guys, in your YouTube account, you may have created multiple channels. So in this drop down, you will see a list of all the channels which you have created. Right now, I have created only one channel on my YouTube account that is named as demo channel, as you can see over here. So here from the drop down, select the channel from which you want to get the new video details. Now guys, after this, when we will click on this save and send test request button, the details of one of our video from our YouTube channel will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So while setting up this automation workflow, we will click on the save and send test request button like we will just clicking now. And then we will see details of one of the video from our YouTube channel will be captured. But guys, in real time, when this automation workflow will be executed in real time, it will only take the details of the most recently published video or most recently uploaded video from our YouTube channel. So here you can see that we have received the response in this trigger window, and this response is of a video named as Beach Island. So we have this video named as Beach Island, the recent one, which we have uploaded, and you can see the details of the same video over here. So here you can see the video URL, video link. Let's copy this link from here, paste it in a new tab, and you will see the same video over here. Then after this, you will see the embed link of the video. You can see the e-tags, the other details of the video like the channel ID, the date and time, that at what date and time this video was published or uploaded on the channel. Then we have the title of the video. We also have the description. We have the default URL. Then you can see the thumbnail URL of this video as well. And at last, we have the channel name. So in this way, all the details of a new video which we have just now uploaded or published on our YouTube channel can be received inside Pabbly Connect in the trigger window. So step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now let's move to step 2. And in step 2, what we want to do, we want to share the details of the same video on Discord. And in step 3, we want to share the details of the same video on our Facebook page as well. So let's scroll down, come to this action window, and here in choose app, search for Discord. Just select Discord. And then in action event from the drop down, select the action event as send channel message. Click on connect. Now here guys, what we have to do, the first thing after clicking on connect, it asks us is the webhook URL. Now we have to actually connect our Discord channel with Pabbly Connect, and to make this connection, we have to create a webhook URL in our Discord server, and then after that, after creating the webhook URL, we have to paste the same webhook URL over here. So how you can create this webhook URL in your Discord channel? So to do so, just go to your Discord server, your Discord account, and on the Discord server, by the side of the server name, click on this arrow button and go to server settings. After reaching to the server settings page, from the left side, just go to integrations under apps and then click on this view webhook button. Now after that, just click on this new webhook button, and then here you can see that a new webhook URL is created. Just click here, change the name of the webhook. For example, I would like to name it as YouTube. And then here you have a section of channel that using this webhook URL on which channel on your Discord server you want to send the messages. So here guys, I have created a channel on my Discord server named as YouTube Updates. And in this particular channel, I want to send the link and updates whenever a new video is uploaded or published on my YouTube channel. So just select this channel over here and then just click on this copy webhook URL. So we have copied the webhook URL and click on save changes. So just now we have created a new webhook in our Discord server and created the webhook URL. After copying the URL, just paste the same URL over here in the Pabbly Connect workflow and it is done. The next thing it asks us is the message. So here guys, in this message section, what is the message we want to send on our Discord channel? So I want my message to be hello everyone. So this is the message which I want to send on my Discord channel. Hello everyone, new video is published on our YouTube channel. I want to mention the title of the video and the video link. So here guys, from YouTube trigger, whenever a new video will be uploaded or published, we will get this response. We will get these details over here. So here we have the response of the title of the video, and also we have the link, the URL of the video as well. So from these responses, let's map this data over here. So in front of title, just click here. And the process of mapping guys is very simple. After coming to this field here in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from YouTube. And out of all of these responses, select the response of title and map it over here. Now after this, we also want to mention the link of the video as well. So we will just click here, and from the drop down from YouTube responses, we will select this response of video URL and map it over here. So in this video guys, you can see that I have just created a small simple message. But if you want, you can create any message of your choice according to your requirement, that what kind of message you want to send on your Discord channel whenever a new video is uploaded or published on your YouTube channel. And also guys, from these responses of YouTube, whatever details, whatever data you have received, like title, description, thumbnail URL, and all of these details, if you want, you can actually send these details as well in this data or in this message. You just have to map the respective details in the message section, and those details will be shared for each and every video you publish on your channel. Now after this guys, after creating the message, the next thing it asks us is the bot name and bot icon. So you can actually change the name of the bot who is going to share this message on your Discord channel. For example, I would like to name my bot as YouTube. And also you can change the icon, the display picture of the bot as well. You just have to enter the URL, the link of the image which you want to add as the display picture of the particular bot. And at last, it is asking us text to speech. So I don't want to enable the text to speech, so we have selected it disable, and then just click on save and send test request. Now after clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here, basically the details of a new video being published on our YouTube channel, are now shared on our Discord channel. So let's see. We will go to our Discord channel. And yes guys, here you can see that on the same channel for which we have created the webhook URL in our Discord server, on the same channel, a new message is shared. This message is shared by the bot named as YouTube. the same bot name which we have entered over here in Pabbly Connect. And the message says, "Hello everyone, new video is published on our YouTube channel. The title of the video is Beach Island and this is the link of the video. Just click on this link and then we will see that it is the exact same video whose response we have captured inside Pabbly Connect's trigger window. So this means the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed. Now after this, let's move to our final step, and that is step 3. And in step 3, we want to share the same details of a newly published video from YouTube on our Facebook page. So just click on this add action step button over here and then in choose app, search for Facebook pages. Just select it. And then in action event from the drop down, select the action event as create page post. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook page account with Pabbly Connect to share this post. So just select add new connection and click on connect with Facebook pages. Now because guys, I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, that is why Pabbly Connect has detected the same account and it is trying to make the connection. So just select your account and then we will see our Facebook pages account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. So it is most likely possible that on your Facebook account, you may have created multiple pages and you will see a list of all the Facebook pages which you have created in this drop down below of page. So out of all of this, you have to select the page that on which page you want to create the post. So I have this Facebook page named as Pabbly Tech and I want to create a post on this particular page whenever a new video is published on YouTube. So we will be selecting this page, Pabbly Tech. After selecting your page, the page access token is automatically detected. So you don't have to actually make any changes over here. Then it asks us the message and the link URL. So here in this message section, you have to actually enter the text message, the caption or the content which you want to add in this new post which we will be sharing. And here in link URL section, we will be mentioning the link of our YouTube video. So I want the message to be, for example, hello. Okay, so this is just a simple message which I want to share as a post caption over here. So instead of this, as I told you, you can basically create any message, any caption of your choice according to your requirement. It can be a larger message as well. So this message says, hello, check out our latest video on our YouTube channel. And then after title, we want to mention the title of the video which we have just now published. So from the drop down from YouTube, select the response of title and map it over here. And then here in link URL section, we have to mention the link of the video. So just click here and from the drop down from YouTube responses, select and map the response of video URL. Now instead of this guys, if you want, you can write or create some bigger content, some bigger message as well. Okay, so right now I have added some more text to this message over here. Now after creating your required message, mapping all the required data which you want and mapping the link URL of the YouTube video in this section, click on Save and Send Test Request. Now after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this message with this link is being shared as a new post on our Facebook page. This particular page which we have selected. So let's check it. We will go to our Facebook page. We will just refresh our Facebook page once. And yes guys, here you can see that a new post is just now shared on our Facebook page. This post says, hello, check out our latest video on our YouTube channel. We are excited to share our new content with you. Title, Beach Island, the same title of the video which we have captured for the response in Pabbly Connect. And then here you can see the link of the video as well. Just click on this post section and it will take you to our video on our YouTube channel as well. So in this way, you can see that we have created this automation workflow using which whenever a new video will be added on your YouTube channel, automatically a notification of the same video will be shared as a channel message on your Discord channel. And also we will create a post on our Facebook page and share the exact same video with the same description and other details as well. So here guys, in this video, we just took an example. But if you want, like in trigger response from YouTube, you also get the description of the video as well. That what the description you have added in your YouTube video. And you can actually map that same description in the message section of Discord. Like you can actually send the same description with the message over here. And also if you want, you can actually add the same description as the message of your Facebook page post to, as per your requirement. So both of these fields are completely customizable. You can actually make any changes of your choice according to your requirement over here. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation once. We are going to upload a new video on our YouTube channel. So let's go to YouTube channel, select a video. This is it. Just open it. And then let's add a description. For example, I will add the description as this is a real-time test. And then let's select the other details as well. No, this is not made for kid. Let it just process the video for a couple of minutes. And let's move ahead. Click on next, copyright element, visibility. Let's select the visibility as public. And then just click on this publish button over here. So here guys, we will see that we have just now published a new video on our YouTube channel. And this is the link of the video. Let's copy it and paste it over here. And you can see this video over here. Now after publishing this video guys, we will see within 10 minutes. So the YouTube trigger of Pabbly Connect has a polling speed of 10 minutes. That every 10 minutes, Pabbly Connect will go to a YouTube channel and check that whether a new video is uploaded on our channel or not. And if we have uploaded a new video, it will get the details of that video, and then this automation workflow will be triggered and it will be executed. So guys, here after publishing a new video on our YouTube channel, we just have to wait for 10 minutes. And within 10 minutes, we will see a new message will be shared on our Discord channel with the same video details, link, title and other details. And also a new post will be created on our Facebook page. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay guys, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now let's check our Discord channel. And yes guys, here you can see that a new message is sent on our Discord channel, which says, "Hello everyone, new video is published on our YouTube channel. The title of the video is Big Waves Rushing to the Show." So the same title of the video which we have just now added to this video. And then here you can see the same link. When we will click on this link, the same video opens on our YouTube channel. And also guys, you will see a new post will be created on our Facebook page. So let's go to our Facebook page and refresh the page once. And yes, here you can see that just now a new post is shared which says, "Hello, check out our latest video on our YouTube channel. We are excited to share a new content with you. Title Big Wave Rushing to the Show." So here guys, we have just created a stagnant message in this automation video. But guys, instead of this, what you can do, you can actually map the description of the video in this message section. And whatever description you will be adding on your YouTube video, with the same description and message and the link of the video, a new message will be shared on our Discord channel and a new post will be created on Facebook page. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So in this video, we are going to learn how to send Discord messages for new tasks in ClickUp. Now suppose guys, you are using ClickUp to manage all the tasks related to your work and you use Discord to communicate to your team. Now you want that whenever a new task is created in ClickUp, you want to share the same task details on your Discord channel as a channel message. But guys, Discord and ClickUp don't have any direct connection between them. So let me tell you how using Pabbly Connect's automation, you can actually automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be creating a new task in ClickUp. An action will be sharing the same task details as a channel message on our Discord channel automatically. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. So here guys, you can see that this is my ClickUp account and I want that whenever a new task is created in ClickUp, automatically the details of that task should be shared as a channel message on my Discord channel. And to do this, we have to connect ClickUp with Discord. And here guys, we are going to use Pabbly Connect to make this connection. So after coming to the Pabbly Connect's dashboard, click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as ClickUp to Discord. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So our idea here is first we have to get the details of a new task from ClickUp inside Pabbly Connect. So we have to connect our ClickUp account with Pabbly Connect over here. Now here in trigger window, in choose app, search for ClickUp and select it. After selecting ClickUp in trigger event from the drop down, select new task as the trigger event. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here in this window, we have to connect our ClickUp account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of our ClickUp account. Now here you must be thinking how you can get this API token. So to get it, just go to your ClickUp account and from the left corner, just go to your profile section and go to apps over here. After coming to the apps page, here you can see the API token of your ClickUp account. Just copy it from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And just click on save. And after clicking on save, here you can see that your ClickUp account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, it is asking us workspace name, space name, folder name and list name. So here we have to select that in which workspace, in which space, in which folder and in which list we are looking for a new task. So I have basically created this list named as new integration, in the folder named as integration, in the space named as Pabbly Connect, in this Pabbly workspace. So here we are going to select Pabbly's workspace, select the space as Pabbly Connect. Then here it is asking us for the folder name. So the folder name is integration. So select integration over here from the drop down and the list name is new integration as you can see over here. So we are going to select new integration as the list name. So guys, after selecting all of these details, when we will click on the save and send test request button, the details of the most recent task, most latest task which we have created in ClickUp will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So before clicking on save and send test request, let's create a new task in ClickUp. So we will go to a ClickUp account and let's create a task. Click on this plus button, give this task a name, for example, MailChimp integration. This is the name of the task in new integration over here. Let's add an assignee. For example, this is the assignee. Let's add a description as we have to integrate MailChimp Pabbly Connect. So here guys, we have to integrate MailChimp inside Pabbly Connect. This is the description. If you want, you can add some kind of attachment. Let's set the priority as, for example, hi. Set a due date that is, for example, 6th of Feb. This is the due date we have added. If you want, you can add a tag. I'm adding the tag as integration. Then you can actually edit the template and other details as well. So here, while creating this task, you can enter all the details of your requirement over here and click on this create task button. So just now we have created a new task in ClickUp. And because we have connected our ClickUp account with Pabbly Connect, we will see the details of the same task will be captured over here. Just click on this save and send test request button. And after clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same task which we have just now created. When we will scroll down, here you can see the same description of the task which we have created. Then you can scroll down, here you can see the same tag name. Then here you can see the status of the task. Then here you can see the name of the project. Then here we have the priority. Scroll down, you can see the name of the task, you can see the name of the list and all the other details over here. So in this way guys, you can see that all the details of a new task which is created in ClickUp will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now after getting these details, what we want to share this new task details on our Discord channel as a channel message. Now to do this, just scroll down, come to our action window and here in choose app, search for Discord. Just select it. After selecting Discord, here in action event from the drop down, select send channel message as the action event. Click on connect. After clicking on connect, here you can see that all the fields of Discord can be seen. So in the first field, it basically asks us a webhook URL. Now guys, to connect our Discord channel with Pabbly Connect and send a channel message over there, we have to basically create a webhook URL in our Discord server, and then we have to paste the same webhook URL over here. So here you must be thinking how you can create this webhook URL. So it is very simple. You just have to go to your Discord server. After coming to Discord, on the top side, just click on this down arrow and go to server settings. Now here at the server setting page on the left side, here you can see a list of different options. Out of which, click on integrations and go to webhooks. After clicking on this webhooks page, here you can see a list of all the webhook URLs which we have created in our Discord server can be seen over here. Out of all of this, click on this new webhook button, and then here you can see that just now a new webhook URL is created. Let's change the name of this webhook. For example, let me name it as ClickUp. Just enter ClickUp, and then it is asking us to select the channel. That using this webhook URL, on which of our Discord channel the messages will be sent. So in the drop down, you can see a list of all the channels which we have created in Discord. So out of all of these channels, this is the channel named as new task, in which I want to share the details of ClickUp task. So select that channel, then just click on this copy webhook URL button and click on save changes. Now when we click on save changes, you will see that this webhook URL is added in our Discord channel. And after that, after copying this webhook URL, go to Pabbly Connect and paste the same over here. Now after this, the next thing it asks us is the message. That what is the message we want to send on our Discord channel. So here guys, you can basically create any message body of your requirement. I want my message to be hello team. Okay, so these are the three basic details which I want to share on my Discord channel for the new task which we have created in ClickUp. And we have received all of these details from ClickUp in trigger window. So here in trigger window response, you can see the name of the task. We will scroll down, and here you can see the response of the description of the task as well. And also you can see the priority of the task over here. So what we have to do, from this trigger response or ClickUp of a new task, we have to map these same responses in this message field in front of their respective names. So we'll just click on this field, and here in front of task name, we have to mention the name of the new task from ClickUp. So from here guys, from this drop down, select the response of task name and map it over here. After task name, let's map the task description. So just click here, and from the drop down, select the response of task description and map it. Then it is asking us for the priority. So just click here, and from the drop down, select the response of priority, and it will be mapped over here as well. So in this video guys, I just created this simple message and mapped only 3 details. Instead of this, you can basically create any message of your choice and map any data of a new task which we have received from ClickUp over here. After creating your message, the next thing it asks us is the bot name and the bot icon. So guys, this message, the new task details are shared on our Discord channel with a bot, and you can actually change the name of the bot over here. So here in bot name section, you have to enter the same name which you want to give to that bot. For example, I want my bot to be named as ClickUp. And then here you can actually change the icon, the logo of the bot as well. You just have to enter the URL or the link of the image which you want to add as the bot icon, and then the bot icon will be replaced by that same image. Right now, I just don't want to change the bot icon, so I'm just ignoring this field for now, and then just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response, and this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here with the same task details which we have created in ClickUp is being sent on our Discord channel. So let's check it. We will go to Discord. And yes guys, here you can see that on the same channel for which we have created the webhook URL, a new message is sent. The message says, hello team, we have a new task. Task name, MailChimp integration. This is the task description, and this is the priority. So here guys, we can see that the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect is working perfectly fine. Now using this automation, whenever a new task will be created in ClickUp, automatically the same task details will be shared as a channel message on our Discord channel. Now guys, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once in real time. So we will go to our ClickUp account and let's create a new task over here. For example, I would like to name my task as WhatsApp integration. Just select the assignee and then let's add the description as we are testing this automation. So this is the description. Let's select the priority as normal and select the due date as 8th of Feb and click on create task. So just now we have created a dummy task over here in ClickUp. And we will see as we create this task, automatically within 10 minutes, a channel message will be sent on our Discord channel. Now, it usually takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between ClickUp and Pabbly Connect is a polling-based connection. And in this type of connection, the Pabbly Connect trigger will check for new data in ClickUp or new task in ClickUp every 10 minutes. So that is why we have to wait for 10 minutes over here. So just wait for 10 minutes. Okay, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now let's go to our Discord channel. And yes guys, here you can see that just now on our Discord channel, a new message is shared, which says, hello team, we have a new task. We have the same task name, WhatsApp integration, which we have given in ClickUp. Now you can see the same task description, we are testing this automation, and the same priority normal. The same task details which we have created in ClickUp is now shared on our Discord channel as a channel message. So guys, we have tested this automation workflow in real time and this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely.
In this video, I will show you how you can forward your emails from Gmail to Discord automatically. So here you can notice I have received this email into my Gmail account along with an attachment, and the same email has been forwarded automatically on my Discord channel along with the attachment link. Now you must be thinking that where this automation is useful. So assume that I am receiving a lot of important emails related to the job on the daily basis, which I always have to copy and share it with my team manually. But what if I tell you that you can entirely automate this process? Yes, every time you will receive the specific kind of emails on your Gmail account, the emails will be automatically forwarded and shared it with your team on Discord. So if you also want to automate this process, you'll have to build a connection in this Gmail application and in this Discord application, and you can connect these applications with the Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. So here you can notice I am already logged in because I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also receive free tasks to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, simply click on this blue button that is create workflow and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as forward emails from Gmail to Discord server automatically. Now simply click on create and then you will notice 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action. So here trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Okay, understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so generally we always select the applications in which we are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, the Gmail application should be selected here, but instead of Gmail we will go with the email parser, because in order to build a connection in Pabbly Connect and Gmail we will use this specific feature. Okay, and here we can select Discord directly. Okay, so let me select the same. Alright, so I have selected email parser and Discord in this trigger and action window. Now the idea here is I'm going to build a connection in between these applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly you will have to copy this email address and then you will have to read the instructions carefully. Okay, so basically with the help of this email address only we are going to build the connection in Pabbly Connect and this email account, this Gmail application. Okay, so simply select this settings, then click on see all settings, then select this forwarding and POP IMAP. Okay, and here you can notice forward a copy of incoming email to this specific address. Okay, so firstly I'm going to remove the existing email address from here so that I can show you everything from the scratch. Okay, alright, it has got deleted. Now I will again click on this add a forwarding address and I will paste the same email address which I have received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm clicking on next button and here you can notice forwarding the email to this. Alright, you can proceed with that and the confirmation code will be sent on Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here you will notice that a response will be received. Alright, so the response is received. You will directly have to go to the body text section. Alright, so here you can notice we have this body text. In this body text you will notice a confirmation code. Simply copy this code, go back to your Gmail account, click on OK, and here you can notice the box of confirmation code where I have pasted the same code which I have received from Pabbly Connect. Now make sure that you enable this forward a copy of incoming mail to from this disable and then click on save, and this is how the connection will be made in this Gmail account and in Pabbly Connect. And here you can also read the instructions that you are forwarding your email to this specific email address and this notice will end in 7 days. So here what will happen, every time you will receive any new email in your Gmail account, that email will be automatically forwarded to this specific email address and it is the same email address which we have received via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so basically every email will be received via Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on this recapture email parser response once again and then in front of you I'm going to send a dummy email in front of you to this specific Gmail account from completely a different email address, and you will notice that the same email address, same email will be received via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so this is completely a new tab, a different tab. Here you can notice this is a new profile and here I am sending this particular email, that is this email is regarding job. Hello sir, I'm writing this email to apply for a job in your vacancy in your company for the vacancy of technical support which I noticed in naukri.com. My name is demo candidate. I am attaching my resume with this email. Please check and revert as soon as possible. Thanks. Okay, so I am also going to attach some sample file here, okay, so that I can show you how you can receive such kind of data. Okay, so this is the sample resume file. All right, and then I will also add the email address of the same account which I have connected with the Pabbly Connect. All right, let me send this email on that specific Gmail account. Alright, the message has been sent. Now I will go back to my Gmail account and refresh it and also check whether I am receiving any data into my Pabbly Connect dashboard or not. And here you can notice the same email is received. This email is regarding job, and let me check whether we have received the response in Pabbly Connect or not. And here you can notice the response is received. Well, this is the name and email address of the receiver. This is the name and email address of the sender profile, and if I will show you, here we have the subject line, and here if you will go down you will also notice the body content. Okay, so this is the body text and it is the same content. Hello sir, I'm writing this email to apply for a job in your company for a vacancy of technical support, and here we have also received the attachment, and this is the same resume, the sample resume which we have attached and sent via some different profile. Okay, this is just a testing resume, just a sample file. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Gmail account and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And now onwards what will happen, every time a new email is received, doesn't matter what kind of email it is, the same email details will be received via Pabbly Connect along with an attachment if that email consists of any kind of attachment. Now I want to send these emails to my team on Discord channel, but here we have a very interesting twist. Okay, so the automation which we have set up in Gmail and Pabbly Connect is that every email should be received on Pabbly Connect, but I don't want to forward all kind of emails to my team on Discord. I just want to filter those emails first. Okay, so how I'm going to apply the filter? I will specify somewhere in my automation that the email which we have received, if that email consists of the words like the job, or you can say the vacancy, or the technical support, or the naukri.com, or the resume, in that case only those emails should be forwarded to Discord. Otherwise the automation should stop here only. Okay, so how I am going to build this scenario? Alright, so before your Discord step, you'll have to add one more step. Okay, and that is going to be the filter. Well, filter is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can apply different kind of conditions within your workflow, within your automation. Okay, in this case I'm going to apply a condition on my subject line and on this email content, that if these two things consist of several kind of words like the vacancy, the job, and the resume, in that case only this automation should proceed. Alright, so how you can apply this condition? If you will click on this arrow, you will notice that the above data which we have received via our Gmail, via our email parser, is visible here in the dropdown. Okay, so firstly I am going to apply the condition on the subject line. Okay, so let me search for the same. Here we have the subject line. Okay, so if that subject line contains the word like job, and not just the job, I would also like to apply few more combinations of words. Okay, but instead of clicking on this plus icon, I will click on this or condition, because this is going to be the either and or condition. If my subject line consists of the word like job, again if my subject line consists of the word like the resume. Okay, so let me search for the subject line. If that contains the word like resume, okay, so I think two combination would be sufficient. Further I will show you how you can apply the same condition on your email content. Okay, so again you'll have to click on this plus icon, because I want that if any of the condition is satisfied, this automation should be true. Okay, so that is why I am not applying the and condition. Alright, so here I will select for the content, and remember I have shown you that the content we will receive into the body text. Okay, so let me again search for the text also. Okay, so if my email content, or you can say if that body text contains the word like again job, alright, and again I will apply few more or conditions. Alright, so here you can notice on my body text, on my email content, I have applied three conditions. One for the job word, another for the vacancy word, and the last one is for the resume word. If my body content, if my body text contains any of these words, and here also basically, or if my subject line consists of these two words, in that case this automation should proceed. Now how this automation will proceed? If that condition is true. Okay, so I have clicked on this button, and here you can notice that the condition is true. Why this condition is true? Because in this case my subject line actually consists of this word, that is job. Okay, here let me show you where is the subject line. Alright, so this is my subject line which consists of the word job. So that is why this condition is true. And if this condition is true, what should be the next step? Basically, it should forward the above email on Discord channel. Alright, so let me select the action event, that is send channel message. And just like we have built the connection in Gmail and Pabbly Connect, now I will be connecting this Discord and Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice it is connected. Okay, just in case if any of the condition is false, or if all the condition is false, you can say our automation will revert as false condition. In that case our automation will stop here only, and the next step will not proceed further. Okay, so let me show you how you can forward the messages on Discord. Firstly, it is asking for the webhook URL. Okay, so visit this particular documentation link, because everything is mentioned here that how you can get the webhook URL from your Discord. Alright, so here you can notice firstly it is asking that select your server, then select the server settings. Further you will have to select this integration section, and then further you will have to create a new webhook URL. Okay, so I'm going to follow the same instruction. So this is my channel. I am going to click on this arrow button, and here you can notice the server settings option, and then you can find this integration section, and here we will create a new webhook. Okay, so simply click on this new webhook button and provide a random name to your bot. Okay, so this is the bot name. Let me open that, and here I will provide some random names, something like connection with email. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. Now you will find a webhook URL. Okay, so simply click on this button, that is copy webhook URL, and click on save changes, and this is how the connection in between your Discord and Pabbly Connect will be successful. Alright, so I'm going to paste the same webhook URL here. Now it is asking for the message, what message you would like to send. Okay, so how about I directly copy the message from here only, and don't worry, I will delete this particular message in front of you so that I can show you how the messages will be received. Okay, I will show you everything from the scratch. Alright, so here you can notice I do not have any message here from my Gmail account. I will be pasting the same message here. Let me first correct the formatting of this email. Alright, so here you can notice I have corrected the formatting of this message, and the same message will get sent to my team on Discord. Okay, new job application is received. Hello team, a new candidate has applied for the job. I am attaching the email and attachment here in the Discord, and here candidate name I will share, and here I will share the attachment link. Please check the resume and call the candidate and continue the process of hiring. Thanks, and HR manager. This should be into the second line, in the second line. Now the interesting thing here is whatever the name I'm going to apply here, that name will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so I'll have to first search for that name, and here you can notice we have the from name, that is Henry Quest. Okay, and here the attachment link will be also replaced automatically. Let me search for the attachment link. Now you must be thinking from there where this particular data is coming from. Okay, so whatever the details we have captured into our previous step, the same data is visible here in the drop down, and I have mapped this data. Okay, so you just need to click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down, and I have mapped the data successfully. And as I have told you, whatever the details I have mapped here will be replaced automatically, and whatever the details I have provided manually, these details will remain same. Asking for the bot name, so I'm going to apply some, I'm going to give any sample bot name, and now I am going to click on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that immediately a new message has been arrived on our Discord channel. Okay, and it is the same message, new job application is received, and here you can notice the attachment link is also here and the candidate name is also here. And if I will open this attachment link in front of you, you will notice that this is the same attachment which that person, that candidate has sent to us by sending an email. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time someone is going to send an email on your Gmail account, firstly those email details will be received via Pabbly Connect instantly, because the trigger here will instantly capture the new incoming data, and further it is going to check if that email consists of several kind of words or not. If the automation will find any of the words in the subject line or in the body text, in that case our automation, our condition will be true and the messages will get sent automatically on my Discord channel. And now onwards I don't need to manually copy the email content and share it with my team. Okay, and in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. Okay, after that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of this workflow into my description box. Okay, so you just need to click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically share your Asana task on Discord. So the idea here is, as soon as a new task is added into the Asana, we're going to automatically share the same task along with all task details on Discord as well, without doing anything manually. Yes, it is possible. We just need to build a connection in between Asana and Discord with the help of an automation software. And after that, every time a new task is created into the Asana, the same task details will be shared on Discord as well. Want to learn how you can create this automation? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is the dashboard of Asana, and here as soon as I'm going to create a new task into one of my project, you will see how the same task details will be shared in one of my Discord channel, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test these kinds of amazing automation. Well, I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have clicked on sign in, then I have clicked on access now, and this is how I will reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see I have reached here, and after that I am going to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and here I am going to simply provide a random name to my workflow, to my automation. Okay, so I have pasted the name as when task is created. Okay, let me add is as well. When task is created in Asana, send message on Discord. Okay, so click on create, and this is how a name will be provided. Okay, and after that you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happened in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. And here according to our use case, whenever the task is created in Asana application, automatically send the message on Discord application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. And here I am building an automation in between Asana application and in between Discord application, so that is why I am going to select these applications. And I want as soon as a new task is created into one of my project, this automation should trigger, so that is why I have selected this particular trigger. Even now I am going to connect Asana with the Pabbly Connect, so that firstly I can capture all the task details inside Pabbly Connect, and then I am going to share the same details on Discord or on other application. Okay, so here you can see it is connected because I am already logged in into my Asana account in some different tab. Here you can see into another tab. Okay, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here it is asking to select a project. Okay, so whatever the projects are available already into my Asana account have started visible here. Okay, and in front of you I am going to create a new project, a blank project, and I am providing the name as Pabbly Marketing Team. Okay, I am providing this particular name to my project, public to my workspace. Okay, I have selected the view as the list. Simply click on continue. All right, I think my project has been created successfully into the Asana app. Okay, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and let me click on this refresh button, and here you will see how the same project, the new project which I have just created, has been fetched up. Now I'm going to click on this button, save and send test request, and you will have to read the instruction that it has started actually waiting for the response. Okay, so once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. So basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means making of a new task into one of our project. Okay, so I am going to create a new task right in front of you into my project which I have just created right in front of you. Okay, so clicking on this particular button, and let me provide any task details, something like create a video on Google Sheets automation. Okay, and here I am going to show you a very interesting thing. Okay, as soon as I will click on enter button, the task name will be provided to this particular task, but the details are not added yet. Still, in that case also the system will detect that the task has been created automatically, and here you can see the response is already captured. I have not even added the task details. Here you can see it is the same task details. Okay, so let me show you the Pabbly marketing team. Okay, let us also check for other details. and here you can see the task creation date as 3rd of February, and it is the same timing. Okay, so how and from where I'm going to fetch the task details, because in this particular automation I was about to share the task details with the team on one of my Discord channel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, firstly I'm going to complete my task details. Okay, so firstly let me click on this detail and provide an assignee here. So I'm assigning this particular task to this particular person whose email address is actually admin@pabblytools.com, and let's say I am providing this due date as the 10th of February. The project will be Pabbly Marketing, or how about I also add one more project as the first project, and here I am going to add the details of the task, something like we need to create a video on, okay, let me correct the spelling also, create a video on Google Sheets automation, as it has a huge demand in the market. Okay, so I'm providing this particular description to my task. Okay, and this is how I have completed the task assigning process. Okay, so after creating a task name inside the Asana application, the details which we have just received also consist of that one important thing via which we are going to fetch other task details. Okay, so let me show you. We have received one resource ID. Okay, let me show you. We have received lot of ID here, and with that particular ID we are going to fetch all the details. Here you can see this is the ID via which I am going to fetch other details of the task as well. Okay, but before that I am also going to apply one more interesting thing, that is delay. Now you must be thinking, what is this delay? Okay, so delay is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can delay your automation, delay your workflow at any time, at any place. Okay, so here I want that unless I have not provided all the task detail into my Asana task, the system should not detect that it has completed. The system should wait at least for 5 minutes. Okay, so this is how I am going to delay this automation for at least 5 minutes. Okay, so here I have selected that it should delay for minutes, that is 5 minutes. Okay, and simply clicking on this button, save and send test request, and here you will see the automation has been delayed for 5 minutes. And in this 5 minutes what will happen, I am going to complete my task creation process, basically the task description, the assignee date, and other details as well. Okay, so this is how the task will be delayed, and now after that I am going to fetch all the details. Okay, so what will happen when anyone is going to create the task, the system will not capture the details unless the 5 minutes are not done, and after 5 minutes only it is going to capture other details. Basically it is going to execute the next step which I am about to add here. Okay, so I am going to connect Asana application once again, and this time the action event will be the get our task, because we are actually fetching out the task details. Okay, and this time I can also go with the existing connection because I have already made the connections into my previous step, and here you will see it has connected immediately. Now it is asking for the task ID. Okay, so here I am going to add the task ID from the previous step, for which I don't even need to copy this data and paste it here. I am going to map this data, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. You just need to click on this particular field and your above data will be visible here in the drop down. Simply search for that particular ID. Okay, so where is that ID? Response 1, events 1, resource G ID. Okay, so make sure you select this particular task ID only. Okay, do not get confused. I repeat this again, response 1, events 1, resource G ID. Okay, I have provided that task ID clicking on this button, and here you will see how the task details will be received as a response inside my Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And let me show you the details one by one. Here you can see the same assignee name which I have assigned at the time of task creation. Let me show you other details. So here we have the created date as well. Let me show you other details as well. Okay, so here we have the project name, that is Pabbly Marketing Team. Where are the other details of the project? Alright, so here I have the task name, that is create a video on Google Sheets automation. And where is the description of our project? Okay, Alright, so here you can see under this data notes, I also have received that description of my task. Okay, so I have already received all my task details. Now finally I am going to share these details to one of my Discord channel. For that you'll have to click on this plus icon, simply search for the Discord, and now as I have connected the Asana with Pabbly Connect, we are also going to connect this Discord with Pabbly Connect. Okay, simply search for the send channel message, click on connect, and here you can see it is connected. Now it is asking for the webhook URL and the message, the bot name, the bot icon. Okay, so from where I can get this webhook URL? Okay, so simply follow this documentation. Okay, so here every instruction is provided via which you can also receive that webhook URL. So I will take you to my Discord server, and here you can see I have created a server with the name Pabbly Integration, in which I have the channel as the YouTube. Okay, simply click on this arrow, and after that you will have to search for the server settings. After that simply select this integration section, and this is how you can reach out to the webhook section. Click on this webhooks option, and here click on this new webhooks option. Simply provide a random name to your webhook. Okay, so I am providing the name as demo webhook 123. Okay, so this is the name I have provided, and it will be general only. Simply click on this copy webhook URL and click on save changes, and this is how you can create a webhook, and this is how you can get your webhook URL. Okay, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here exactly I am going to provide the same webhook URL, asking for the message, basically which message you would like to send to your team, to your community, which is present inside one of your Discord channels. So here you can see I have already created a very nice template, which I am going to directly copy from here, and I'll be pasting the same here. And let me correct the formatting of this particular message. Okay, so hello team, a new task has been created in the project, and here I am going to add the project name. And as I have told you, I am not going to add any data manually from the previous step. I am going to map it, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down, and currently I have all the task details in this third step. So let me search for the Pabbly project name. Okay, so I remember I have provided the project name as the Pabbly marketing. All right, so I have mapped the name. Well, it has mapped at the incorrect place, so let me remove this and place my cursor at the correct place. And now finally I am going to map the project name once again. Okay, so I have mapped the project name. A new task has been created in the project, and here I have mapped the project name and the assigned by. Okay, so I am also going to provide the name of the assignee, that is assigned by, and here we will place our cursor exactly here, and we are also going to map the assignee name here. Okay, so let me directly search for the assignee name. Okay, so here we have the assignee name as, well, I'll have to check whether I have received the assignee name or not inside my details. Okay, so let me check for the same. Well, I do not have received the assignee. Yes, I have received the created by name. Okay, so I am going to search for the same details right from here. Okay, so let me click on this particular button once again at particular place once again, and here I have the assigned by. A new task has been created in the project assigned by Ashmita, and here I am going to map other details as well, that is to whom this particular task has been assigned to, what is the task name, what is the task detail, what is the priority of task, the due date, and again the priority. I'll have to remove this, and this is how I can provide all the details. Okay, now you must be thinking that why I have mapped this data, why I have not added it manually. Okay, so whenever you are going to map any detail, that detail will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, I repeat this again, whatever the details we are mapping here, these details will be automatically be replaced when the new task will be created inside Asana. Okay, so that is why I'm specifically mapping this data, just in case if I am adding any detail manually here, that detail will remain same. Okay, so in this particular case, in this particular message, these details will remain same, but the values which I am mapping will be changed automatically. Okay, so it was assigned to, so let me search for the assignee name. All right, so it was something like admin@pabblytudes.com. Okay, task name. Okay, I'll have to search for the name of the task, which was something like, I'll have to search for the task name. Okay, so where is the task name? And here we have the data name as the task name, that is create a video on Google Sheets automation. I'll have to search for the task description as well. Okay, so here we have the notes as we need to create a video on Google Sheets automation as it has a huge demand in the market. Okay, asking for the priority. So again, I am going to map that value of the priority. Okay, so where is the value? All right, well, as I have remembered, I have not provided any priority at the time of assigning. So currently I am going to remove this value, and finally lastly I am going to map the due date. So do I have any due date? Yes, I have the due date. Okay, so this is how I have composed a message into my Discord, basically for Discord, which I would like to send to my team, asking for the bot name. So I am going to provide any sample bot name. Okay, so sample bot. Okay, I'm providing this particular thing. All right, asking for the bot icon URL. Well, it is completely up to you whether you would like to provide any icon to your bot. Okay, now I have provided all the necessary details. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and you will see how the same message will be arrived into my Discord channel. All right, I'll have to wait for that. And here you can see we have received the very same message. All right, let me show you. Hello team, a new task has been created in the project Pabbly marketing team assigned by the Ashmita. Assigned to is this, the task name is here, the same task details, the due date, thanks. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to create a task into your Asana project management software, the same task details will be shared in one of your Discord channel. Okay, and for that you will have to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect once. Okay, so let us check what exactly we have done. Firstly, we have connected Asana with the Pabbly Connect and have captured the task details, but in that task details we were not able to capture all the task details. Okay, so with the help of that task ID, we have fetched all the task ID basically with the help of this get a task action event, and here we have also applied a delay so that we can delay this automation for at least 5 minutes, and in that 5 minutes we were able to create our task. Okay, anyone is going to create a task in that 5 minutes. Okay, until that this automation will be delayed. Okay, and then we have fetched the task details, and finally we have connected Discord with Pabbly Connect and shared our message, our task with Discord. Okay, just in case if you want to access the very same automation, the workflow which I have created right in front of you in your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this shareable link in my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.